McPherson from the agency, and I cannot wait to show you what 17 Robinson Street in Taranganba has to offer. Let's head on in and check it out. This well-kept 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home really is as neat as a pin. I love the functional floor plan and the way the modern kitchen connects effortlessly with the dining and outdoor entertaining. Offering not 1, 2, but 3 car spaces, all situated on a 691 metre square corner allotment with full fencing. This home is so centrally located but feels so private. If you'd like to own your piece of paradise here in Yeppoon, please do not hesitate to contact me, Anna McPherson. I'd love to talk to you.